Hi everyone, it's day 4 of our 7-day Spring Awakening flow. Today's flow will be all about renewal and restoration, so prepare for a gentle, relaxing flow. Now we start in Sukhasana, easy seated pose. Good. Coming to the breath, head over heart, heart over pelvis, shoulders relaxed. And just breathe nice and easy. Relax the facial muscles. Good. Inhale, creating a straight line with the nose. Up. Exhale down, chin towards the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Good. Now, lifting the left arm up and cupping the right ear. Take a deep inhale to straighten out the back. Exhale, start to draw the left ear down towards the left shoulder. And feel that stretch in the right side of the neck. If you'd like a deeper stretch, start to walk the fingers out. You notice a deeper stretch around the right neck area. We hold here, inhale. Exhale, slowly release, going to the other side. Cupping the left ear, inhale, straighten the spine. Exhale, start to lower gently and avoid pulling all the way down. Good. Then when you're ready, start to walk the fingers out. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale, slowly releasing. Finding tabletop. And we go right into our pigeon pose by gently bringing the right knee forwards and the edge of the right leg down, extending the left leg back. And then trying to place the palms directly underneath the shoulders. Avoid pinching at the waist. You can also use a block, sitting the hip down gently. And we hold here for a few breaths. Just try to find the right alignment for your body. Take it nice and easy. Inhale. Exhale, start to slowly lower, bringing the elbows down and resting the forehead onto the forearms. And you start to notice that releasing of tension in the right thigh, the right hamstrings rather. And just take a moment here to breathe nice and easy. Breathe into the thighs. Good. Inhale. Exhale, rising. Coming back to find our tabletop. And this time, pigeon on the other side. Bringing the left leg forward and bent. Extending the right leg behind. Using the block as well, just to gently rest the left hip or the left glute down onto the block. And just finding the right alignment for your body. Take a few breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, gently lower. Resting the forehead. releasing tension in the left thigh muscles as we breathe into those thighs. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, peeling the forehead off the mat. Coming back to find our tabletop, and this time we go straight onto our backs. I'm feeling relaxed already and slowing down, starting to feel quite sleepy. So from here, we find our hand to big toe pose. Resting the left leg down onto the mat. My energy is shifting as I yawn. And then start to stretch out the right leg, extending, flexing the foot up towards the skies. And then we're meant to grab the big toe with our hands, at the same time keeping the leg nice and straight. You can also use a strap here, allowing the leg to straighten out nice and easy, at the same time allowing that left leg to rest fully onto the mat. And we hold here for 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Feel that stretching out at the back of the thighs as you extend the leg. Inhale. Exhale, slowly releasing, drawing the right knee towards the heart. So start to open up that knee as you gently pull it towards the right armpit. Exhale, coming back to center, slowly releasing. And we come to the other leg, drawing the knee towards the heart, using your strap. And then gently extending that leg. Maybe place the right palm onto the right thigh, helping that leg to rest nice and easy onto the mat. And just breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale, slowly releasing, drawing the left knee to reach the left armpit for 1. Inhale. Exhale, back to center, and then drawing the right knee to meet the left knee at the heart center. Finding happy baby pose. Good, and just start to rock the sway to the left and right. Starting to calm the mind and the body. Checking in with the body, see how do you feel? Good, inhale. Exhale, drawing the feet together, opening up the thighs, the knees are splayed out to the outer edges of the mat, finding reclining bound angle pose. A nice relaxing restorative pose. And just take some time here to be easy, relax and let go. Allow the eyebrows to relax, unclench the teeth, release the jaws. Shoulders are nice and soft. It's been great practicing with you today, and as always, I wish you peace, love, and everything nice. Namaste.